Welcome to Sheet Metal Tech Tips. Today we will be going over uniform wall thicknesses. The three topics included will be uniform material thickness, utilizing sheet metal features to create 3D models, and how to convert imported geometry. Here's an example of a project with two sheet metal bodies. They are modeled into one, and this cannot be quoted due to the non-uniform material thickness. We would need to split these up into two individual components, extending your cost and your lead time. Here I'm going to create a simple box utilizing the sheet metal features within SolidWorks. Here I'm going to use my base flange command to create my base. Next I'm going to move over to the miter flange tool and design the sides and walls to my box. This will ensure that all walls not only have the same geometry, but will have uniform thickness as well, consistently throughout the model. As you can see in the flat pattern, this is ideal for our instant quoting and for a faster lead time. Here I have a simple hat section, but the part does not have a uniform material thickness. I will show you how to use a convert to sheet metal tool to generate a single material thickness and develop a flat pattern. Select my material thickness on the side. Select my starting point and collect all bends. This is going to identify all radiused edges, and you can see in the blue section that is the material that is going to be removed for my sheet metal project. Here I have my flat pattern with my uniform material thickness throughout, again allowing this to be instant quoted with a faster lead time. To recap, all sheet metal geometries must have the same material thickness. Utilize your sheet metal features when you're creating your 3D models, and converting imported geometry to sheet metal will allow you to get instant pricing and a faster lead time. This concludes our video on uniform material thicknesses. For more information on tech tips, please contact our design team.